Hi everyone, for today's video, ayan guys, labor works pa rin kasi medyo basa pa yung aming trabaho. Ito yung mga kasamahan ko, our companion. It's John Lona, Aaron, Michael. Yan ang taga Tanawan, Batangas.
Hello guys, taga-vlogging lang.
Yan guys.
Good morning to all of you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yo, narinig nyo yan guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow, share and watch.
Dito may harap sa akin ba?
Ayan, siya daw ang magbo-voice over.
Hello guys, before watching a video, don't forget to subscribe and post the notification bell para updated ka sa mga news video.
Ayun, pwede nang maging vlogger. Yee-hoo!